Africans await the return of fugitives Thabo Bester and Dr. Nandipha Makutumane following their arrest in Tanzania. Police are rounding up those suspected of orchestrating Bester's escape from the Mangaung prison. A former G4S employee and a 65-year-old man are today appearing before the Bloemfontein Magistrate Court. ENCA senior reporter Slindelo Masikane is following developments.
Police seem to believe or are in possession of evidence that they believe implicates these two people in the escape plan. One of them is Dr. Nandipha Makutumane's father, as well as a former G4S employee from the Mangaung Correctional Center. Now, we know that since news broke of the escape, the Correctional Center in particular has been taken over by Correctional Services. We know that tomorrow, in fact, we are expecting a parliamentary sitting of the Justice and Correctional Services Department, Portfolio Committee rather, where we're going to see G4S having to come in account after being summoned by Parliament. So over the past week, we've seen a number of developments in Fundo with regards to this case where, there have been some breakthroughs, in particular the rearrest of Bester in Tanzania, as well as the arrest of Dr. Nandipha and a Mozambican accomplice as well over this weekend. So it's a first appearance. We're not expecting long proceedings, but it does seem as though they've been implicated in the escape. They seem to have had an involvement, and police believe that they have a case to answer to. We had an opportunity to speak to the spokesperson of the police, that is Slindelo Masikane, and she was telling us as well that actually, more arrests are not going to be ruled out in this case, and that over the next couple of days, police are going to continue with their investigations while a delegation in Tanzania tries to bring Bester as well as Dr. Nandipha back into the country.